Assalamualaikum. In this video, we will learn how to read division tables. Read division tables. This is our division table of 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. Division table of 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. Let's read division table of 4. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. 28 divided by 4 is equal to 7. 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. 36 divided by 4 is equal to 9. Let's read our division table of 5. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9. Division table of 6. 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. 36 divided by 6 is equal to 6. 42 divided by 6 is equal to 7. 48 divided by 6 is equal to 8. 54 divided by 6 is equal to 9. Let's read our division table of 7. 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4. 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. 42 divided by 7 is equal to 6. 49 divided by 7 is equal to 7. 56 divided by 7 is equal to 8. 63 divided by 7 is equal to 9. Division table of 8. 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2. 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. 32 divided by 8 is equal to 4. 40 divided by 8 is equal to 5. 48 divided by 8 is equal to 6. 56 divided by 8 is equal to 7. 64 divided by 8 is equal to 8. 72 divided by 8 is equal to 9. Division table of 9. 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1. 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. 27 divided by 9 is equal to 3. 36 divided by 9 is equal to 4. 45 divided by 9 is equal to 5. 54 divided by 9 is equal to 6. 63 divided by 9 is equal to 7. 72 divided by 9 is equal to 8. 81 divided by 9 is equal to 9. Let's do activity book page 78 and 79. Activity 4. Read the instruction. 1. Calculate and write the answers. Look at A. First, we find what the division table that we will use. Yes, 6. So, we will use division table of 6. Now, let's look at the first question. 12 divided by 6 is equal to. Let's refer your division table of 6. 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. So the answer is 2. Next, 24 divided by 6. Let's find in division table. 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. So the answer is 4. For the others question, you try to do it yourself. Let's look at B. First, we find what the division table that we will use. Yes, 9. So, we will use division table of 9. Then, let's look at the first question. 54 divided by 9 is equal to. Let's refer division table of 9. 54 divided by 9 is equal to 6. So the answer here, 6. Next, let's look at the next question. 9 divided by 9 is equal to. Let's refer your division table. 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1. So the answer is 1. For the others question, try to do it yourself. Activity 4. Read the instruction. 2. Write the answers. Mesh. Before we start to answer this question, let's find the value of this abacus. Let's look at the first abacus. When the upper bit moves down to the bar, it represents a value of 5. Then, when a lower bit moves up to the bar, it represents a value of 1. Now, let's count. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Second abacus. When the upper bit moves down to the bar, it represents a value of 5. So, the value of this abacus is 5. The third abacus. When the lower bit moves up to the bar, it represents a value of 1. So, the value of this abacus is 1. The last abacus. When the upper bit moves down to the bar, it represents a value of 5. Then, when 4 lower bits move up to the bar, each bit represents a value of 1. Now, let's count. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 and plus 1 is equal to 9. Now, let's do these exercises. A. 5 divided by 5 is equal to missing number. First, look at the divisor. Divided by 5. We use division table of 5. Now, let's find 5 divided by 5 in division table. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. So the answer is 1. Now, let's mesh with the abacus. Yes. So, for the others question, try to do it yourself. Follow the step that I have given. Activity 5. Read the instruction. Write the correct number sentences. A. For this question, you must arrange the numbers and the symbols to form a complete number sentence. For division, we start with the biggest number. Yes, 27. Then, followed by division operation. After that, we choose either 9 or 3. Okay, for this, I choose 9. Then followed by the symbol of equal to. Now, we get the answer 3. Okay, 27 divided by 9 is equal to 3. We also can write the number sentence like this. 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. Now, look at B. Let's arrange the numbers and the symbol to form a complete number sentence. Okay, we start from the biggest number, 20, then followed by division operation. Then we choose either 5 or 4. Okay, for this, I choose 5. Then followed by the symbol of equal to. Now we get the answer 4. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. We also can write 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Activity 5. Read the instruction. 2. Write 2 correct number sentences. A. First, look at the divisor. Divided by 4. So we use division table of 4. Now, let's find the biggest number here. Yes, 16. 16 divided by 4 is equal to, okay, which the answer here? Let's refer to the division table. 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. So the answer is 4. 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. For the numbers left, we find the biggest number here. Yes, 8. So, 8 divided by 4 is equal to, okay, look at the division table. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So, the answer is 2. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. For B and C, try to do it yourself. Activity 5. Read the instruction. 3. Complete this. Write the number sentences. Okay, A. How to write the number sentence here? Okay, first, look at the biggest number. Which one the biggest number? Yes, 18. So, 18 divided by 9 is equal to, the answer is 2. So, 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. We also can write 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. For B and C, try to do it yourself. Thank you for watching. Bye.